First, install 4 feed pads, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Push the hoop to the right. Place the egg rolling table on the frame so that its groove fits and secures with the steel post. Fit the black module of the egg rolling table with the chain shaft steel post. Ensure that the black rollers are aligned with the white trays. Tighten the screws in 4 places, 2 on the side and 2 on the bottom. Push the clamping ring to the left and then tighten it with a screwdriver. Align the 3 grooves of the steel plate with the steel rod and push it into the machine. Align the screws at the bottom of the steel plate with the screw holes and place it down. Make sure the screw is in the correct position here. Ensure that the egg tray can be adjusted normally. Place the eggs in the tray and turn the nut to adjust the weight. Connect the 3 wire ports. The main power supply is connected to 2 wires. After powering on, begin the trial operation. Exciting news! We'll be exhibiting in the Philippines from August 26 to 28, 2026. Stay tuned for more updates, and we can't wait to see you there.